What is good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I have a re-upload for y'all. I don't have an intro for it because I must have deleted it, but the whole video is still there. It's an old video. I hope y'all enjoy it. Very entertaining. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all so much, man, for all the support. Cats is out. Oh shit. Why they got me? Hell, I hope not.
I don't know if them boys running from the police. I don't know if them boys running from the police.
Grab my dick. Spin that hoe! That nigga said bro got a cat with one leg. Yeah. And that whole red eye. 5 spokes on that hoe. He not gonna spin that hoe, is he?
This how it is when you get the first, they get a Hellcat. When you get a Hellcat, this how it is. Bro, he got one leg.
That bitch took his leg out the car. Yo.
He's not going to jail. He is not going to jail. He is not going to jail today, bro. I'm handicapped. What the fuck just happened?
Ain't gonna lie, he got a full kid on that. Woo. Yeah.
It's Challenger gang out here. What's going on, bro? What's up with y'all challenges and shit, bro? Bro, we wasn't challenges over here. Y'all going crazy with the challenges, man.
Nah, look at that.
I got spots today. Everybody's gonna be. We got a whole strip front and center, y'all. Front and center. Y'all see me outside. Bro over there got.
I guarantee he come in this hole and slide. He'll come in this hole and slide. He tripping.
Chill, bitch. We in a good location right now.
Ooh. Red eye motherfucker. Ooh, that. Now that blue is crazy.
Hey,
Hit that O. Damn. It's another nigga. Ooh. I see it. Watch out.
Hey, open it right now. Got stalls in there. Got stalls in there. He got one leg. He got one leg.
I thought you should have tried to take my drink. Yeah, that bitch won. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch won. Come on, give me one more. Give me one more. Give me one more, bro.
Or not SRT land.
One more red, bro.
What's that dude that goes like? Oh my god. Oh my god, what's going on?
Come on, bro. Launch this shit. Nigga, that's what you just saying you was finna do. Bro, me. Shut up, bro.
Nigga, stop. That's smoking that shit.
What's up, fool?
Uh-oh.
No, you be smoking it. Look at this. How would he do that dumb shit? Yup. How does... Just now starting, bro.
Without the license, crazy without the silence.
I don't know why we had this bitch so early, bro. Look at that shoe flame. Niggas over here. See them motherfuckers right there. Yeah. Whole lot of big Mopars right here. Whole line of them.
slide this out?
I hope not.
Well,
Well,
gotta go.
bye-bye, Spot.
You going to jail.
Fuck out of that gear.
He burning something. I can't tell if that's his tire or what. Pop the hood on this bitch, man. This bitch needs to cool off. Turn that bitch off too, bitch.
Oh shit, they screaming.
We at the G station with it. Maybe you want to know where we go, but we be ducking off. I ain't gonna lie. We be ducking off on purpose. Ooh, we got more. Got the Skittles out. Hit that though. Him vlogging while the cop pulled up. Must be nice to not have a car. I know you ain't talking, bro. Don't make me start ripping.